Parrot tulips. These abnormal tulips are actual mutants, and they were able to be reproduced by breeders. Some people say that there's a virus that changes the tulip bulb inside to create the different things that we see here. The thing I know is that I love these tulips because they are different. They have a tendency to flop over the vase. They have a tendency to be extra large, and their stems will continue to elongate as they grow. So trying to put a parrot tulip in a vase and control it is probably not in your best interest. Much like teenagers, tulips do what they want to, whenever they want to. I'm fascinated by these fringed varieties, or this one that almost looks like flames. They're called parrot tulips because the edges themselves appear to look like feathers. But they can be different and interesting like this, where the striation starts to appear on their petal. Parrot tulips may be cup-shaped, fringed, twisted, or ruffled. They're decorated with vivid, flame-like splashes, stripes, or feathery markings. Parrot tulip flowers are available in a range of bright colors, including red, violet, yellow, orange, pink, green, and near black. Parrot tulip flowers are huge, measuring nearly 5 inches across on a 15 to 20 inch stem. Parrot tulips are a late blooming variety of tulip. Parrot tulips allow us to experience what nature can create.